Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I'm sharing an unboxing of the brand new November kit from Citrus Twist Kits. I have the stamp add-ons, the Life Crafted kit. This is the legendary Life Crafted kit, as well as a few extras that are in the shop this month. So I'm excited to share all of this with you. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the Life Crafted kit. Like I said, this is the legendary kit for November. Of course, it comes in this awesome pouch. The kits all come in these really amazing hard plastic pouches. They're great for storing the kits in or for storing other supplies once you've used up the kits or have split them up into your stash. I really love these, especially for storing large stamp sets. Let's start by looking at the 3x4 cards. These are double-sided cards. So there is this one. It's kind of a mint green color. It says Rise and Shine on this side, and then you can flip it over and it says Good night, sleep tight. And the other side says Wandering and Wondering. Home Life, The Good Life. Sweet Disaster. I think we could all probably use that at one point or another. This one has 1, 2, 3. I really like numbered cards like this for adding journaling. You can add numbers to your photos and then tell a little story about each one on a single card. But the other side has this gorgeous floral with this kind of tabbed design. Cards like this, where I really love both sides, make me super glad I get the digital cards as well. Eyes Up, Hearts Up, Moods Up. Simple Pleasures. Ready for This and Not Ready for This. And then the other side is a yellow chevron. Current Mood right now, and then it has the emojis on the side. New Normal. This world is full of beautiful things. And then Enjoying This with lots of different things you can tick off. This gorgeous striped card, Lazy Days. And then this one is also really beautiful. It has kind of offset hexagons with this kind of foliage pattern, and the colors are just gorgeous. And then the other side has a sort of prism design that's very similar. I really like both sides of this one too. So again, I'm glad I get those digitals. Let's look at the 4x6 cards. Next, there are 2 of them in this kit. The first is this one with all these adorable little circles. They kind of look like milk caps. And the other side says Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great for telling, again, multiple stories in a single card. And then there's this one with a floral and a little spot for a date or a small amount of journaling or maybe some stamping, and then a spot for more journaling or a picture. And then the other side says Ordinary Moments, Unforgettable Memories. Really like that one too. The bookmark in this kit has Stories Happen Every Day with this really, really cool kind of numbered collage at the bottom. And the other side is just a plain wood grain, which I love. It's super easy to use. It's just a nice neutral background. There's also a sheet of labels that coordinate with the colors in the kit. As you can see, I always get tons of use out of these. Then there are the 6x8 papers. So these are all exclusive to Citrus Twist Kits. They're all single-sided. I'll flip through them really quick. So there is this one that has that same number collage look that the bookmark had. There's this gorgeous floral. Sorry about that. That was my cat. Gorgeous floral in kind of pink and this kind of orangey red color. It's really beautiful. I'm not sure that that is showing up well on camera, but in person it is gorgeous. And then again, some wood grain. Love wood grain. Love that we get neutrals in the kits each month to coordinate with the bright colors. Here's a really cool navy and white pattern. If I can get this one apart. There we go. A gray and white pattern with some kind of tape distressing. This is really gorgeous. It's lemons with kind of a minty green background. It's really beautiful. A yellow, kind of a mustardy yellow pattern. You can see up close the subtle pattern in the background. A mint green leaf pattern. I really like this one too. This is one of my favorite colors, so I know that one's going to get used right away. Ooh, and I love this. Okay, look at this though. I mean, that's just beautiful. Sorry, I got distracted, but that is gorgeous. I can't wait till you put those together. So this is just a kind of teal green grid pattern. There's this pink and kind of off-white triangle pattern with some distressing and kind of printing in the background. This is a gray pattern with looks like a darker gray polka dot, a tiny, tiny polka dot. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Just a really nice neutral again. And then this gorgeous teal pattern as well. I love this color. Okay, so those are the pattern papers. Let's take a look at the embellishments. So there is the card for the kit to tell you which kit it is. Here is the stamp set that comes along with the kit. This is called the Legendary Stamp Set. It says Legendary Moment. This story was meant to be told. Surprise ending. Plot twist needed. Legendary Meal. Such a big moment. The stuff that dreams are made of. Bold dream. Look for adventures. Little moments that make life big. Embrace the unknown. Story time. Big story. Little story. Breathe in joy. Beauty in little things. Event. Big, huge, best. So you can combine a lot of these together to make larger phrases as well. There is this amazing set of enamel dots. We've gotten enamel dots in the last few kits, and let me just tell you, they have rekindled my love for them. These are absolutely gorgeous. I hope those colors are showing up on camera because they are just bright and beautiful, and they would be the perfect pop of color on any layout or pocket page or life crafted page. Can't wait to dig into those. Here is the ephemera pack. As usual, it is chock full of goodies in there. Let's take a look at the key on the back so you can see what's inside. There are some florals with leaves, some fun circles, kind of like that 4x6 card I showed you before. There are some keys and like hotel keychain thingies. What are those called? I don't even remember, but there are several of those which are really fun. Some Band-Aid looking ones which are super fun. I can't wait to try those on a page. Some tags and labels as well. Really gorgeous things. This cute little deer and the bird, also adorable. There is also a set of vellum tape strips. There are 2 sheets in here, and if you will just excuse the crinkling for just a moment, I'm going to open this up and show them to you up close. They're kind of hard to see because they were a little bit offset, and actually I'm going to hold it against this white so you can see it a bit better. But they are individual little strips, so each of these phrases has its own little strip. Let me just show you with one of them here. So see, that just comes off by itself, and there are tons of different phrases and lots of different colors that coordinate with the colors in this kit, and you get 2 sets, 2 sheets. So lots and lots to use here. There is an entire sheet of puffy hearts in these gorgeous bright colors. So beautiful. I love Citrus Twist Kit puffy hearts. They are my favorite. This is my favorite on this sheet. Can you see that teal polka dot one? Oh my goodness. That is so stinking cute. And that pink polka dot one too. Oh my goodness. So much here to love. Love these. They will definitely get used up. We get a foam alpha this month. It's in white, which is very versatile and would look absolutely gorgeous on these saturated colors in this kit. So perfect choice for this kit. Of course, there are tons of numbers and punctuation as well, which is one of the things I love about these foam alphas. These are some of my favorite alphas Citrus Twist Kits has ever put out. They have really great puffy alphas and I love them, but these foam ones are just perfect. We got pink ones a few months back and I can't get enough of them. So super happy to have those. That is a look at the Life Crafted kit for November. Next up, let's take a look at the stamp add-ons. Okay, so I have both the 4x6 stamp add-on and the Traveler's Notebook stamp add-on. Let's take a look at the Traveler's Notebook one first. This one says unforgettable, this moment, what a, begin where the pavement ends. I like that one a lot. A new start, beauty in little things, writing my own script, unplugged. Fold your worries into paper planes. She owned it, got a laugh. It's supposed to be hard, insert applause. Yeah, it's a circus. Magic. The only thing that could make this day better is ice cream. Amen to that. And then full heart. For the 4x6 stamp set, this one's called Legends. You can see all these gorgeous icons and phrases These are very similar again to those kind of milk cap looking circles on the 4x6 card and in the ephemera pack. Of course, the thing I love most about Citrus Twistkit stamps is the key on the back that shows you how to put them together to make really cool little stamp clusters. So you can add the larger words with some of the smaller phrases. There's a little kind of like checkbox thing, like a list of things, and you can check off the little circle next to them. So that goes along with these larger pieces. There is this frame here that you can add the smaller things into. Of course, these gorgeous circles and some other phrases as well, like sometimes the big things are the little things. This changed my. So lots and lots of ways to put this together. And of course, they work really well with the Traveler's Notebook stamp and the stamp set from the legendary Life Crafted kit as well. So super versatile, lots you can do here, lots of fun stamping to be had. There are also a bunch of digitals that are available this month. If you are a subscriber, then you get access to the bonus journaling cards. That is the sheet right here. They're 3x4 cards that you can cut down. You get a PDF and you can print it out on whatever paper. I like to print mine on a heavy duty cardstock, and then you just trim them out and you can use them just like the journaling cards that come in the kit. They're really gorgeous colors. I really love this one with the leaf on it. I think that one is my favorite. So always like to print these out and have those. I just put them in my kit with the other cards usually, so then it's just like having additional cards in the kit. There is also, let me show you this one first actually. There is also a cut apart, a digital cut apart sheet that you get as a subscriber. This is actually available in the shop as well. If you are not a subscriber, you can get this. So again, it's digital. You print it out and can cut it by hand or have one of your machines cut it, whatever you choose. But there are tons of little goodies in here. Oop, that one doesn't belong in there. But there are tons of goodies in here, some banners, some tags, some labels. I always love having the extra labels that are on these sheets, some little banners as well, and some circles. Gorgeous, and of course they coordinate with the kit perfectly. Then there is also a digital tag set. So this is another PDF. You also get the PNG files. So if you prefer to just print them out individually or print a whole sheet of one, if there's one that you really like, you can do that. It does not come with the cat hair that is in my tray, but yours will be cat hair free. So you get the digital files. You can print them out and cut them by hand or have your, again, machine cut them for you. But lots of fun things. I love the tag sets because we get lots of tickets, and I've been using a ton of tickets lately in my scrapbooking. So I love having those. There are these little banners and some labels and another circle. I really love this one. Of course I do. That one is really perfect. And then this one that says sweater weather as well. So those are the digital tags. And then there is also a set of Traveler's Notebook Basic pages. I printed these out. You get each individual page as a PNG file so that you can resize it or print just one at a time, whatever you choose to do. But you also get PDFs of each page so that they are super easy to print. If you're not comfortable editing on your own, you can just print out the PDF and cut them out to the size that you want them. So I just print them out like this because I find that I'm more likely to use them if I have them printed out than I would be if I had to go in and edit each one to print when I wanted it. So here is page one. I love, love, love these leaves. I kind of wish I had a whole paper of just that leaf background, but I'm definitely going to need to use this one. And then there's this gorgeous one that says life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Page 2 has this dreams that says life offers you 1,000 chances. All you have to do is take one. And then the sweetest. Page 3 has this gorgeous background, this floral background. It says this story. And then there is destination and trip and the things we saw along the way. Some stories are meant to be told. Scarves, pumpkins, and cuddles. Oh, too cute. More of that wood grain and the legendary title, and then some fall notes. This is great for just adding a ton of journaling to your album or even onto a layout. And then stories happen and life right now. So those are the Traveler's Notebook Basics pages for the Legendary kit for November. Finally, I wanted to show you a couple things that Trina kindly sent me that are in the shop right now. I got another set of those gorgeous foam alphas, this one in this bright green color, which is super fun. There are several of these in the shop now. If you love these alphas as much as I do, you may want to go and stock up and get them to keep on hand. There are also some new page protectors and some new Life Crafted album colors. So let me, again, sorry for the crinkling. Let me open this up and show you how gorgeous this is. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the peacock color. If I am wrong, I will definitely say so down below. But I'm pretty sure this is the peacock color. It is absolutely gorgeous. My favorite color is teal, and this is just the most gorgeous dark teal color. And of course, just like all the other Life Crafted albums, it is just luxurious to feel and is so well made. I am getting quite the collection of Life Crafted albums, and it makes me so happy to look at them and see them on my shelves. So these are the new inserts. These are specifically sized for Instax photos. So this one has 4 pockets that fit a standard Instax, and then they fit inside the album just like that. And then this one has 2 Instax and a larger pocket down here. I think this is the size of the larger Instax. I'm not entirely sure. I only have, I actually don't have an Instax camera. I have an Instax printer, and it prints this smaller size, but I believe that there is a larger size camera or printer that you can get, and I think that that is what that is for. I would probably just cut down a card to fit in there, and let me actually grab just to see. So it's slightly larger than a 3x4 card, but you could definitely stick a 3x4 card in there if you wanted to, and maybe just staple it in, or just add something to keep it in place. That would definitely work if you don't have anything to fit here. But of course, you have the 6x8 papers that you can cut down to any size, so you can totally use those in there as well. So I'm excited to try these. I have trouble using my Instax printer just because I'd never know how to add it to a page. So this will be a lot of fun. It'll inspire me to get out that printer and get some things printed and put them in these pockets in my Life Crafted album. So those are the little extras I have to share with you today. And here is one last look at all the things. I will have a link to the Citrus Twist Kit site where you can pick up all these things for yourself if you so choose. You may want to consider becoming a subscriber. I know from month to month it varies on availability, but if you are a subscriber, then you are guaranteed to get the kit each month. And let me tell you, you will not be disappointed. They are always amazing. So be sure to follow that link and make sure you get your kit and all the little extras. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon.